This is macro, and this is all about those killer entries for the next bull run. I've picked layer one AVAX today. AVAX $150 during its previous bull market, slammed to $8 during the bear market, all the way back up to $27.91, and we're at a key resistance level. If this resistance is broken, it could be the last chance, the last opportunity to get these AVAX prices for a very long time. And I'm going to do things a little bit differently in this video. We're going to go back in time and go through a journey of AVAX. We're going to go through a journey of AVAX. And I want you to let me know in the comments afterwards, do you think that you've painted a better picture of AVAX? Do you understand AVAX more? And do you understand what levels that we need to be looking out for on AVAX? Let me know in the comments after the video. So we're going to start. Let's go through the previous bull market of AVAX. How well did AVAX do during the previous bull market? And was there any key levels that we need to pay attention to? So we're going to go up. We're going to go up. You can see first and foremost, this goes back to the 10th of January 2021. Guys, remember the bull market starts in January 2021. We had Bitcoin leading the way, and then the altcoins followed. This was one of the front running altcoins, and this runs soon after Bitcoin. And you can see what the first thing that happened here, we've come back down and we've tested this support level sitting at $11 for the first time. So we had a mini bull run straight after. This is going all the way up to February 2021. We've pulled back, we've pulled back, we've pulled back. And this is the second phase of the cycle. Where have we pulled back to? Firstly here, secondly here, thirdly here. It's exactly the same level, the $10 to $11 level. So we had a strong bounce off here. We had a double bottom off there, and then we went for the major cycle. We've gone up, 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 put in a high, $150. We put in a high in November 2021, end of the bull market, November 2021. Then what happened? We've come down, got our Fibonacci levels on here, guys. We've got our Fibonacci. It's respecting the Fibonacci levels. We've come up. This is a relief bounce. Is it a continuation of the bull market? No, it's a lower high. End of the bull market confirmed. End of the bull market confirmed, put in a lower high, and then you've come down and you've come down. Now, I want you to pay attention to this level. This is a key level. We've come down and we've hit a support zone between 50, 55, and $60. Call it 65. We've hit a support zone there. So we've hit a support zone, we've bounced, we've rejected, we've come back down, we've supported, we've rejected, we've traded in this range between $49, the $50, and the $93. We've traded in the range, and then ultimately, bam, lower high. The bears regain momentum, push price action all the way down here. There was an FTX crash in the middle of there. There was lots of crashes of all sorts of stuff and nasty things going on in the news at this point, all the way back down there until we hit. Where do we hit, guys? Support, support, support. Where are we likely to react? If we come down and we come down and we come down, where are we likely to react? This was previous support. This was previous macro support. So we were expecting it to become support again. And then we started trading in a range. Now, this is the important bit. This is the exciting bit. We were trading in this range. How long for? Let's measure it. We were trading in this range for, before we managed to break out, 567 days. How would you feel for 567 days in a range? Looking at your phone every day, looking at your investments every day, and one day it's up $1, one day it's down $1, one day it's up $1, repetitive. 567 days of this. Strong, 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 strong accumulation. So we had the accumulation. We were talking about this on the channel. This is going back some time now, guys. Go back and watch the previous AVAX videos. We were saying once this main trend is broken, once the main trend's broken, we're going to get an acceleration to the upside. This is the bear market relief rally, guys. So we had a break, and I'd said 287%, nearly a 3x. That's exactly what happened. Where did we expect a rejection? We're saying this in the channel, guys. I said, remember this level, remember this level. I'm going back. This was the rejection point for the bear market relief rally. We were rejected there. We were rejected there. So you can see, let me show you an area here. You've got accumulation phase. You've got breakout phase, bear market relief rally. You've got pullback, back into trend, back into this original trend, And now this is the key level that I'm talking about. Once we break and close above here, the chances are that once we break and close above the $28 level, continue to $30, we're not going to see those prices for a long time. Potentially not going to see these prices for a long time. So you can see how long it's taken for price to break out here. You had the bear market relief rally. Everything run during the bear market relief rally. How strong was AVAX? Not strong enough to stay above the range. Wasn't strong enough. So once it is strong enough to break above this range, and once it retests this range, this is what I'm saying, guys. You're starting to put higher highs, higher lows, higher lows, and continue the run up. You'd be looking for those profit taking at the higher lows. You'd be taking profits at the higher highs. However, you'd be lucky to see those prices again once we've broke and the bull market started. So that's entries, guys. That's entries. This is a strong level. We're in a bear flag at the moment. If we break to the upside, it's a strong chance that we're going to continue to the upside. If you break to the downside, there's a strong chance that you're going to continue back into the range. However, we've got this range, and the buildup of accumulation gives us the strongest support that we can possibly get on there. So how high? How high? How high can AVAX go in the next bull run? Let's measure some Fibonacci levels. So Fibonacci from its bull market high to its bear market low, and then let's measure some levels. Right, you got your 1272, your conservative 1272. I'd expect an extension of a 1272, $186.71. 1618 is the more likely move. That's sat at $237.07. And then if you're really shooting for the moons, you're really shooting for the stars, and you're more of a gambler, you go for the 2618. Doesn't mean it can't happen, guys. 2618 sat all the way up here, $370. So I always shoot for the 1618. It's more conservative. It's more chance of it happening. But I just wanted to take you through the story of AVAX. If you did enjoy this video and you want to go back through the previous bull market, look for support zones, resistance zones that are more macro, let me know in the comments below. We're going to be talking about in the next video, guys. We're going to be talking about the Crypto Bullseye portfolio. I've done every single trade in front of you guys. The biggest trade is NPCS. NPCS on Solana. I'm going to be covering a video on that. It's already done a 4x since we've taken it, and I'll show you an update of the portfolio too. Join our Discord group, guys. Stay up to date. It's completely free. I'll leave a link in the description below, and I'll see you in the next one.